Chesterfield traffic through on Delta. I'm clear on 15. Taxi back to my hangars. Have a great day.
Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie is departing runway 15.
Entered runway 15, 5,500 feet remaining.
Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie departing the pattern to the southwest.
Chesterfield traffic through on Delta. I'm clear on 15. Taxi back to my hangars. Have a great day.
Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie is departing runway 15.
Entered runway 15, 5,500 feet remaining.
Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie departing the pattern to the southwest. Just doing some slow flight here, or slower. Getting comfortable in the plane slow. Preparing for summertime with the window open, having to be below 81 miles per hour. Flying along around 70 right now. Just around 18 over 18 on the power, 39% power, 4.5 gallons per hour on the fuel flow. The gas price is high. Not a bad time to be getting that GPH down as well. We're leaned out, lane assist. Also got the Aether carbon monoxide detector integrated in the G3X. Around 70 mile an hour, just maintaining 2,000, which is 1,700 AGL per one of my customizable buckets. Since I've got two radios, I've got the compressed mode enabled, so I can get 4 slots of customization. Granted, with the GNC 355, you get a lot of redundant information as well, so I just don't like keeping this in map mode, but you can use the fields complementing each other. Now, even though I've got ADS-B up on the, you're still going to get it here, and I'm also got traffic on 4 flight. So 73, climbing a little bit. But the obviously the Cub flies great slow. Everybody likes going faster. Speed is life. But this is the fun part. And for me, it's just a matter of getting comfortable going slow, especially going into backcountry work. Speed is not life when it comes to tail draggers and landing. Speed will get you in trouble. Oh, just 71 miles an hour. I do have the G5 display set to manual. You got to press in the button when you go to power on to get into configuration mode. The automatic display just makes it too bright, and I really want it to be subdued. It's a backup. Otherwise, you start getting later in the day and things get brighter. Now the G3X, I may have said in past videos, you want to go through the configuration, which is hold the menu button when you power it on. Go through all the configuration there, get familiar with that. And then on the flying side, press menu twice, go through your configuration. And by default, there was a lot of detail not set up. Airspace upper and lower limits, and airspace warnings, and just some detail that really comes in handy. So I didn't catch that until I actually brought it home, but always learning. So 74. This plane, it's got the 83-inch constant speed prop, cargo pod, 31-inch tires, but it is amazing how this thing just wants to go fast, or faster. It's all relative to the fast flyers out there, but getting it slowed down takes some work. Especially when you've been flying, doing the engine break-in inside the first 40. You want to keep the power above, I believe it's 70%. So you really don't get comfortable with slow when you're trying to focus on engine break-in. I'm just continuing my proficiency in learning the FX-3. Got Hobbs at 90.9, engine at 81. Took delivery with it at 5. CubCrafters didn't need to do too many tweaks on this one, which was nice. Did most of the 40-hour fly-off. I did have TAC Aero do some when I had to fly back home. High heat, smoke, pretty much IFR conditions. 110 degrees Fahrenheit in Oregon. Very unusual. So the amount of flying I intended to do didn't get done.
You are in your mother. I don't know what you do. Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, turning it downwind, 15 Chesterfield.
And I'll start you out early and keep the pattern tighter. Expecting a right cross.
13907, thank you very much. Air France 652.
Chesterfield traffic, White Cub 8 November Charlie, left base 15, Chesterfield. Stop and go.
500.
Work on slower speeds today. Ben's 190 at 8 on the G3X. Chesterfield, White Cub 8 November Charlie, turn a final 15, Chesterfield. 62. And Chesterfield 8 November Charlie is on short final 15, Chesterfield. Stop and go. Three-ish. 55. 50. Drop that one in, but it works. High flare. Alright, let's get that improved on the next one. Pattern feels good. Work on the sight picture for the flare. I'll work on slowing things down too. 8 November Charlie is a short final 15 Chesterfield. And keep the power back. I don't know how I pushed it up. Still fast, 65, which is where I always like to be for some reason. Sight picture. Ooh, grease that one down. We'll just call it a night on that one.